Good morning, children. Today we are going to start chapter 11 adverb from your English grammar book. So, children, what do you mean by an adverb? An adverb is a word or phrase that tells us more about a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverbs tell us when, where, why, how often, and to what extent something happens. Like Tariq slowly walked back home from the market. So, how? I have my dance class tomorrow. When? The children are playing outside. Where? My neighbor takes his dog out for a walk every day. How often? And the water is extremely cold. What extent? So, children, an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, and another adverb. Kinds of adverb. Adverbs may be divided into following classes: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of degree, adverbs of time, interrogative adverbs, and relative adverbs. So, adverbs of manner: bravely, slowly, carefully, quickly, fast, etc. Adverbs of place: here, there, everywhere, up, down, near, far, etc. Adverbs of frequency: often, thrice, seldom, always, never, occasionally, etc. Adverbs of degree: very, rather, quite, too, hardly, etc. Adverbs of time: now, soon, then, today, tomorrow, yet, still, etc. Interrogative, interrogative adverbs like when, where, why, how, etc. And relative adverbs are when, where, why, etc. Firstly, I will explain you adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner express the manner of an action. It answers the question how. Like the soldiers fought bravely. She walked carefully. I read the book quickly. He ran fast. Adverb of manners are usually placed after the direct object if there is one. Otherwise, they are placed after the verb. They must not be placed between a verb and its direct object. For example, he ate greedily the cake. So this sentence is incorrect. He ate the cake greedily. So after the verb, we add adverb. Okay. Now the adverb of place. Adverb of place indicate the place of action. It answers the question where. He looked everywhere. He put the pen here. So if there is also an adverb of manner in the sentence, then it comes after the adverb. Like adverb of place, like she moved there slowly. So there is a adverb of manner. Adverb of place: Ravi got down quickly. So quickly is a adverb of manner and down is a adverb of place. Now adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency expresses how often something is done or happens. These adverbs answers the questions how often. Like he has always helped me. I seldom go there. They often meet me on weekends. She rarely talks to him. Some commonly used adverbs of frequency are again, almost, ever, always, frequently, generally, hardly, ever, never, nearly, once, twice, occasionally, often, seldom, sometimes, monthly, weekly, etc. Now the fourth one is adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree expresses the intensity and answer the question how far or how much or to what extent. Like, she is very intelligent. He is too weak to walk. You are quite young. So, an adverb of degree modifies an adjective or another adverb. Like, he is very good at painting. So, we here adverb plus adjective. I know him quite well. Here also, quite is an adverb and well adverb plus adverb. Okay. The following adverbs of degree can also modify verbs. Almost, nearly, hardly, scarcely, quite, just, etc. She is just going. He hardly noticed what she was doing. She has almost finished. Now, adverbs of time. And adverbs of time tells when or at what time an action is done. It answers the question when. She is going tomorrow. Then she came home. Now I shall buy this toy. He met me yesterday. These are the adverbs of manner. Now the interrogative adverbs when, where, why, how are used for asking question about time, place, etc. They are placed at the beginning of the sentence. Why are you so late? It's a reason. Where is my book? It shows the place where. Okay. How did you reach there? Means. We have to show a means. And when does the train arrive? At what time? So how can be used in four different ways? Meaning, in what way? How did you make this soup? How do you start a car? With adjectives, how tall you are, how old is your father? With much and many, how much does it cost? How many people were there? And with other adverbs like how quickly can you read this? How often do you go to Delhi? Now the relative adverbs. So the relative adverbs where, when and why can be used to join sentences or clauses. For example, I don't know the place where she lives. So here we add relative adverbs by using where. We remember the day when we first met. When is the relative adverb. He doesn't know the reason why she went there. So here in this sentence, why is a relative adverb. So children, this topic is also completed. I hope that you all have understood it. So you have to complete the book exercises and also I will send you some notes of the same chapter. Thank you.